What's going on, guys? So today we got a few things going on. This one's getting a new transmission, and this 5 Series is getting timing done, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do the valve cover on it and how to do a valve cover removal. All right, it's not that hard. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna get started on it. I gotta do timing on this, so all this is gonna come off. Most of it is gonna come off. This is a 16 and this is a 15. I don't know why they did different bolt sizes, but that's just how it is. So that's gonna come off. As you can see, this is an N20. So I'll be showing you how to take off the valve cover on an N20. So basically, remove HPFP, remove boost solenoid. All the wiring needs to come out of the way. Take off the fuel rail and loosen up the fuel rails connected to the injectors. And there's a vacuum pump in the back. It's kind of hard to get to if you don't know what you really like, the 3 bolts that you need to loosen, you know, the location of them. So next time you see, the next clip you're gonna see is with all that I mentioned just now off. Bunch of T30s right here. This is a T30, T30 inverted, and a T30 right here. You see it? You see it? T30 right there. Okay, so I said it wrong. Okay, I'm sorry. That's a T30. This is an E8, E10, I believe. Hold on, I have it right here. E8, there we go, E8. And the small ones in the front for the little van noses are E6s, right here. These 2 have to come off. That has to get loosened, of course. So yeah, let's get started, and when I get back, all that's gonna be removed. All right, these are 14 millimeter. These are both 17, and these 2 are 17 millimeters. So when you want to get those out, that's what you use for wrenches, 14 and 17s. Okay, I'm gonna zap these 2 out and get this and get the fuel rail out of the way. All right, next, I think the light turned on. It hasn't turned on tomorrow. What you're gonna do is take off the injector wires into the plugs. You can get it off by with a pick tool. And then next we're gonna take, there's 2 8 millimeters. M55s have 3, M54s have 3. All the 6 cylinders have 3 ground wires, and they're 8 millimeters. So we're gonna take that off next. Like you see, I already took off the fuel rail. HPFP is out. A bunch of little covers over here and there are off. That's the vacuum pump I was telling you about. That now all we have to do is take off all the wirings and move them to the side, because they do move to the side, and we'll go from there. All right, now we got all that off. We can start taking these E10s out, which are all over the valve cover. All right, next time you see it, it's gonna be off. All right, that's how you take off a valve cover on an N20 motor. Thanks for watching, guys. So yeah, guys, so that's how you remove a valve cover. To install, you just retrace your steps backwards and it'll install like that. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys' support. This whole filming thing is still weird to me, so it gets a little awkward, but I appreciate you guys. Follow the channel for more. I'm gonna give you guys more content. I do gotta do timing on that, so I might do a video on that. I just gotta, you know, do the oil pan and all the stuff on the bottom to get it off and ready to do the timing. But yeah, like I said, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching, and thank you for the support. Please click and follow if you want more updates on everything, even the single turbo car. I'm starting to get more content out. Thank you, guys. Bye.